5 seconds. Start. Inaugurating the seminar on national development, the Prime Minister said, "Ladies and gentlemen, I deem it a great honor to inaugurate this seminary and I would like to say a few words on the subject of national development. As a matter of fact, for the development of a nation, among other things, proper administration of labor is very much essential. It may not be out of place to mention that at present we find that there is enormous delay in the implementation of the awards given by industrial tribunals. As you are aware, I have taken action to gear up the government machinery to help in the speedy implementation of the awards. It is very much true that the Industrial Disputes Act gives vast powers to the government. I would like to mention here that we intend to use these powers fully to remove many problems that exist in industry today. There may be no doubt that all efforts would be taken to improve the relations between labor and management in order to improve the condition of the country as a whole. I hope you will agree with me when I say that the labor unions and the management have an important role to play in building up healthy industrial relations. Then there is another important thing to be mentioned and that is about agriculturists. In this connection, I would like to state that an act has been passed by the Parliament with a view to improving the standard of living of the agriculturists who are the backbone of our country. It is necessary to point out that the Act contains a large number of very good features for the betterment of the landless farmers. The cultivating tenants would be given absolute protection in respect of their holdings. You will appreciate that provision has been made for fixing fair rent, which will go a long way in removing any arbitrariness that may arise at any point of time. I am very happy to inform you that the Act also enables the cultivating classes to buy up the rights of the landlords by paying an amount in lump sum or installments. You will be glad to know that the government are considering the possibility of compulsory allotment of waste lands held by the landlords to the peasants. I wish to make it clear that with these steps, the government are trying to show a rosy path for the toiling landless agriculturist in future. Of course, we should not forget the fact that primary education plays a very vital role in national development. So far as the subject matter is concerned, I am sorry to state that in spite of very good efforts taken by the government, we are lagging behind in improving the standard of primary education. If we take concrete steps to improve the basic facilities, there is no doubt that we will be able to achieve better results. As you all know, our government have drawn up a plan to provide free midday meals to the poor children attending schools. There is no denying the fact that the plan will encourage the poor people in the villages to send their wards to school. At the same time, I am sure that this measure will go a long way in increasing the number of school-going children to a significant level, which will in turn help the country to march forward. Before concluding, I hope that the discussions that take place in this seminar will lend a helping hand to the government in their endeavor. Thank you very much. Letter dated the 10th November 2003 from Ram and Sons Madurai to Mrs. John Brothers Chennai. Dear Sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 3rd instant. wherein you have stated that you have already settled our dues by means of a demand draft for 5,000 rupees. In this connection, we would like to draw your kind attention to our reminder last week. We are very sorry to state that we have not received any letter enclosing your demand draft in settlement of our dues. It is now for you to take necessary steps to find out the cause for the loss of the draft. We fear that it would have been lost in transit. We would suggest that you may make a complaint to the concerned postal authorities for the purpose of tracing the missing article. If it is not worthwhile, you may approach your bankers for issue of a fresh draft in place of the lost one. You will have to satisfy them that the draft has been really lost. Perhaps this will take some time and therefore we would prefer to get your payment early and without much delay. If you obtain a fresh draft and send the same to us, we will be much obliged to you. You can get refund of the amount covered by the earlier draft which has been lost in due course of time. Yours faithfully.
We don't need to impress anybody in the world. We should make ourselves happy. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கா இறங்கிருங்க. நம்ம ஆசைப்படுறத அடைய நினைக்கிறது தப்பு இல்லை.